some mukbang. How you pronounce it, y'all?
Mukbang or something?
Mukbang.
A mukbang.
Mukbang. Mukbang. We're gonna grub. Alright, y'all. So today we're having loaded nachos. Yummers! So on here we have some ground turkey, cheese, refried beans, lettuce, salsa, sour cream, and me and Turk have some shrimp. Okay, and also I have my sriracha sauce. They don't like sriracha, but I do.
If y'all
So
see me,
get a look at this, guys. Look, and y'all, I just literally made this.
if y'all see me don't eat the shrimp, it's because I'm allergic.
Yeah, Brandon is allergic to shrimp. So let's all say blessing. Good hand, Bray. Dear God, we thank you for this food that we're about to receive to nurture from our body. In Christ's name, amen. So, guys, we're just going to get started, and we're just going to dig in. Now, y'all know we normally don't do mukbangs, but I figure why not? It's a settled night. I didn't have a vlog planned. Oh, yeah, and Turk got some ginger ale.
Give me some.
Which, you know, I just make sure it's safe for her. So, we're just going to dig in. And, oh, yeah, like I said, wow, Braylon. No video manners. So, I didn't have a vlog planned for you guys today. So, I was like, why not do a loaded nacho mukbang?
Mom.
Ain't no disgusting, Brain. So, y'all, we about to be feasting and... What wrong with feasting? Beasting. We about to be feasting and beasting.
We better be feasting and eating.
Oh yes, y'all. And the chips that got soft. I like them like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try. Our hands gonna get dirty, but we all good.
Keep getting him.
Oh my God. That hurt.
Keep getting him.
I get them. Turk. They so good with the shrimp.
I swear. If you ever come to our house.
I'm gonna get them. Hold on.
If you ever come to our house.
Come on.
Oh my God. Tastes like ginger ale.
The refried beans.
Daddy sharp.
Turk, them refried beans. Oh my God. With the shrimp. Y'all.
Oh my God.
Turn over that in. So let me hear. So we won't. Y'all, I never had like.
That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's disgusting.
I never had like shrimp with my nachos, but doggone, these are bomb. Turk, don't worry about getting your hands dirty, girl. Just dig on in there.
Yep, because as soon as you do it, like when you look away for 2 seconds, your hand's gonna look like pop trash.
Oh my goodness. And I made more shrimp, but Nathan took some. I'm just upset.
So good.
Oh my God. The refried beans hitting, ain't it? With the shrimp.
Yeah.
So y'all.
I need some water.
This type of stuff right here make you want to become a serious mukbanger. I'm sorry, y'all.
Braylon, you know.
Wow.
Don't want me, Braylon.
I never made them this good before. I ain't even gonna lie. Oh my God. You wanna go with Nathan? He don't want to eat. He just want to be up here getting on somebody's nerves. Oh my God.
My chip was really good. So good. Right
Y'all?
Lego Daddy.
Wow.
Y'all missing out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I get the rest.
It was all worth it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It really was.
I don't know if it's the refried beans or what, but something is extra good in these nachos this time I made them.
In the future, I think it's a refried burger.
And they so messy.
In the future, Mommy would have had a freaking Sam's on. It's bigger. So good.
This is what nachos is all about.
Yeah. This is why our whole family like them.
Mm.
You know those nachos you call nachos you get from the movie theater? Almost better.
That bad?
Mm-hmm.
Good mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Wow, what the freak?
Y'all? I ain't even pay my poor sriracha no mind.
It's kind of too good. That's how good it is. Say look at our Rashi.
Y'all?
Even
Boy.
said it. You can make some lunch.
Y'all missing out.
Okay.
Y'all missing out.
Yeah, really are.
How many of y'all this movie making y'all want some nachos?
A lot, probably, because I be
This
eating
video.
I be watching people like this, too.
Mommy!
I wish I had some more shrimp.
So,
Let's talk about something. And
I do apologize if I'm acting like an animal.
but this is good.
But if y'all tasted these, y'all be acting like an animal too.
Spicy. I'm good. So good. Let's talk about something and rather not hear Mommy.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And how Dale Nation little crazy tail take our shrimp, right, Trent? The shrimp was bomb.
Yeah. Let's go. Maybe that extra flavor to something. Y'all jealous. Look at this.
I'm jealous for real.
I'm jealous.
Y'all, I can't even talk these things so good.
Yeah. He dumb.
I don't know what to talk about, y'all. These things is so good.
Y'all getting down and dirty over there. When I'm on camera and when I'm eating something, I'm quiet. But when I'm off camera, I'm not. I'm like, oh, zebra.
Y'all, please.
Let's go.
This right here.
Good at you, Paris. So
Y'all don't know what I'm
good.
missing. Give me some.
It's like the best in the history.
Every time you make nachos, from there on we put shrimps on them. Nation!
Nation! Okay? So good. Yeah, let's talk about something. We ain't gonna hear Mommy all the time. So good. No. Let's talk about something, y'all.
What y'all want to talk about? But right now, all I can talk about
Nachos.
is how good these nachos is.
Hold on. I see a deep one that look like you better give me a bottle. Dang, 2 of them though. 3. Oh, Mommy, yo. I burped the center on my mouth.
Turn. Mmm. Oh, y'all, we had some pico on here. I don't know if I told y'all that.
No. It's like, it was spicy, that's why. Come on, I need
Woo! Child, excuse me. Stop it.
you Aggie to me.
Stop laughing.
I know.
Y'all.
Too much sour cream that time. No. Take that. Ooh.
Look at outside and burn inside.
Look the whole plate. We still got like so much to go. Like,
Y'all, I'm sorry. We're gonna talk after we finish grubbing. We're gonna definitely talk.
We'll talk in a minute.
But right now, honey, I guess we've been talking the whole time. I don't know. I've been saying Brandon said he didn't want him to say no more. I don't know.
I told you!
Sorry. When something is so good, you just gotta say the whole time.
Why are these beans?
So,
Y'all, so salty.
You ain't gotta be that messy.
No, I'm not trying to, but it's just like getting everywhere. I need to use. I hate drinking this. He's seriously standing there. You want him again? Stop.
We all gonna be miserable tonight. Yeah, that's for sure.
I'm gonna go to bed really get my nerves. Today, I don't even had a headache when I wake up. Did you know when Fee sneezed, her hairs went back?
I wonder if Nation ate them strong.
You know he did. Stop. Look how I look. This son is annoying. No, I don't want to hear you. I still got this left, and I was about to take it over freaking school. Oh!
And the meat is so
With
cheesy.
the background.
Stop. The meat is so cheesy, right?
Ow!
I put 2 jars in there.
But you only need one.
Okay. But the mukbangers, they be putting a dent in their food. So we gotta keep eating.
Hand me a napkin, Brandon.
Well, we got 3 mukbangers.
Yeah. Hand me okay.
Look at that.
Hand me a huge one. Huge one. Alright, got it.
Y'all know it's good when somebody from the beginning to the end keep saying how good it is. I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do after I get finished eating this, but I'm sure it's 0.
A week. I don't think I could clean my chores.
I wouldn't expect y'all to do nothing tonight.
She just,
But
y'all
go
don't
there.
believe her. Don't believe DH. She just try to get out and clean the bathroom.
She already cleaned it.
I'm not sure. Well, she just tried to wash the dishes.
Hush, Brad.
I'm being so serious.
Me and Chuck put a dent out.
I had a snack.
How you living over here?
So good.
How you living?
Got a little bit.
They good?
Yeah.
Chuck, I don't know if I can eat no more.
Nah, stop that.
Yo, I'm trying to keep going for y'all. But, woo! Chuck, what if we ate this whole thing? We probably will fall asleep right in these chairs. Can't move.
I'm sorry. I just want some chips.
Some
Chips? Did you...
That don't make no sense. We done ate ourselves into a coma.
Y'all made so much dents.
Woo! Excuse me.
Y'all made so much dents. I don't even know where to freaking scoop my chip at, yo.
Next time, now that we know them shrimp is so good, we're going to get a whole bunch of them.
Braylon, move!
Brayla's silly. He just want to irritate. He ain't eating that chip.
No.
You just want to irritate. Oh, God.
What?
Stop letting on me.
I can't take when you say that. Oh, no. Uh-oh. I got that.
Y'all, we're going to be eating this tomorrow for sure.
Okay, you start my lunch.
Mm-hmm.
You did that all the time.
Take you some fresh chips because it's a bag left.
Okay.
I'm going to be eating this too for lunch.
I'm not at school. I'm packing me a sandwich. And chips. Mom, I need a paper towel.
Oh, I need a paper towel.
I need my paper towel, Mom.
You know who would have ate all of this? Divine Munchies.
Mom, I need my paper towel.
Okay, you spitting in my face.
I need paper
Divine
towel.
Munchies.
Awesome.
Huh?
Awesome.
She would have ate all of this.
Yeah.
And she's so little.
Mm-hmm.
And she don't be sleepy like us. So I guess we're not treating my fingers.
Sorry, guys, but we suck.
Alright, guys.
I'm sorry. We still made a dent in our food, so.
I guess we're not treating my fingers. Because we about to fall asleep.
I'm about to go.
Y'all ready to end it? Y'all want to try to eat some more?
Yeah. I'm going to be on the floor by the time we're done. No. Mommy, I'm sleep.
Brandon, eat.
Brian's the only one that's sleepy. I was trying to act like it.
Okay, me and that.
Okay. I'm moving more.
I've never been this sleepy after eating. I'm talking about ever. Ever. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I couldn't finish the nachos. You said I could, but you lied. You shouldn't do that a trillion times.
I hate when they soft because they break.
They the best when they soft.
Oh, shoot.
Let me lay on you. Hurry up and eat. Me and Trick gonna take a nap. Wake us up when you done.
I'm done.
Are you? Look at his face. Alright, come on, Turk. Well, guys, we suck at mukbanging. We fall asleep for y'all. We just ate and just. Let me have this napkin.
All we had is, all we heard is, That's all we heard.
No, it ain't.
Yes, if you be quiet, that's all you heard.
Hush.
If you make noise and stop up, we be quiet. Because of that.
That's a lie.
The didn't even know it, don't you?
She said no. Come on, y'all. Let's end the video.
I can't.
And I'm about to start acting stupid. I'm just smiling for no reason because I'm sleepy. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this mukbang. And we enjoyed it. Y'all got to get y'all some. Try y'all nachos with these ingredients. And if y'all try it any different, comment down below. Let us know how y'all try y'all nachos. So maybe we can do our loaded ones like that as well. So, all right, guys. Well, we love you so much.
Yeah.
We're gonna cut this real short because we so tired. Brandon, come on, get in, and say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Turk, really? All right, guys, we love you so much. And if you would like for us to do more, was that open?
No.
If you'd like us to do more mukbangs, just comment down below. Let us know what you would like us to do. I know that the mukbang world is trending nowadays, so if that's what you like to see on this channel, we will do it for you guys. You just let us know what you want us to eat. I'll cook it and we'll eat it. Okay? Love you guys so much. Goodbye. Good night. Stay warm. Say your prayers. As always, put God first. Definitely stay warm, though. And all of that. Definitely do that other stuff, too. But it's really cold outside. So, please don't have your pets out there. If you don't have to go out there, don't go. Don't be bull jiving. If you work outside, you feel me? Take off work. It ain't worth you freezing to death. All right, that's all I got to say. Hey. Bye.